You want to go daddy or mommy? Which one you want to go to? Grandma's got to get ready to go bye-bye. Grandma's got to get ready to go bye-bye. Okay? Oop, Grandpa. Grandma got to get ready for bye-bye.
Well, when they going?
So you want to go to mommy? You want to go to daddy?
He's the third, I think. Third or second, I don't know.
Mommy or daddy? Mommy or daddy? Let me think.